So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's tutorial guys, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba natin ma-withdraw ang ating credit limit dito sa Mabilis Cash. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, after kong mag-register dito sa Mabilis Cash, inopera nila ako ng 1,000 pesos. So ngayon guys, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano ko nga ba ma-withdraw itong binigay sa akin na loan amount. So mula dito sa homepage guys, ganito yung lalabas. So kung may offer sa inyo, lalabas agad dito sa pinakang homepage kung magkano, and kung gusto nyo siyang ma-withdraw lahat, pwede nyong itap yung withdraw, and kung hindi nyo naman gustong i-withdraw lahat, pwede nyong i-drag yung loan amount dito sa taas katulad nito. And kung makikita nyo guys, nababawasan yung credit limit or yung loan amount na pwede nating makuha. So kukunin ko na lang is yung maximum credit limit na 1,000. Then kapag okay na guys, na-adjust nyo na yung loan amount, dito naman tayo sa term kung ilang term yung gusto nyong kunin. So pwede tayo sa 4 terms. So ang magiging hulog nyan kapag 4 terms is 296 pesos. Kapag naman 3 terms is magiging 382 pesos. And kung 2 terms naman is 554 pesos. So guys, per term natin, meron tayong 15 days na kailangang paglaanan. So ako guys, ang kukunin ko is 2 terms lang. So total of 1 month siya since kada term is 15 days. So ilagay ko siya dito sa 2 terms. So ayan guys, kapag okay nyo, nailagay nyo na yung inyong loan amount and yung term kung kailan nyo gustong i-pay yung inyong hinarap na loan, itap na natin yung withdraw. So dito naman guys is mag-a-add lang tayo ng payment method kung saan nyo gustong i-claim yung pera. So may pamimilian tayo, pwedeng e-wallet. So yung e-wallet is PayMaya or GCash. Then pwede dito sa add bank card. So ako na lang ang pipiliin ko is add e-wallet. So yung GCash ko na lang yung gagamitin ko para ma-claim yung pera. So, okay na, nakalagay na yung name. So, dito tayo sa e-wallet. Tap natin yung e-wallet. Then, piliin nyo kung ano yung gusto nyo. So, tatap ko na lang dito is GCash. So, dito naman sa e-wallet number is ilalagay nyo lang yung inyong GCash number. Then, after yung may lagay guys yung payment method, itap na natin yung submit. So, confirm lang natin guys. Tap natin yung confirm. So guys, ito yung pinakang loan confirmation ng ating utang kay Mabilis Cash. So ito yung loan amount, 1,000 pesos. Loan term niya is 2 terms, which is kada term ay 15 days. So total of 1 month ko siya babayaran. Then first repayment date. So ang unang payment ko siya, simula ngayon, after 15 days is June 27. Since ngayon is June 12. So ang repayment, so ang ibabalik kong pera sa kanila is 1,109. So bali ang naging interest niya is 109. So, payment method is through GCash e-wallet. Then, kapag okay na, tap na natin yung confirm. So, submit successfully. So, may nakalagay ditong under review. So, kapag okay na yan guys, makikita nyo dito, magno-notif sa inyo kung na-transfer na dun sa ating e-wallet yung ating pera. So, the review process may take up to 1 working day. Please be patient. So, ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, review pass na yung nakalagay dito. So, ibig sabihin, bigyan na nila tayo ng 1,000 pesos. So, please pay attention to your account information. So, nakapasa na tayo sa review. So, wait na lang natin yung ating account information. So, ayan guys, after a minute, na-receive ko na yung 1,000 pesos na hiniram ko kay Mabilis Cash. So, nakalagay dito sa text message is, you have received 1,000 pesos GCash from SkyPay. So, check natin yung aking GCash account kung pumasok na yung aking hiniram na loan. So, ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, meron ng laman or may balance na yung aking GCash na 1,000 pesos. So, ganun lang kabilis guys kung paano ma-withdraw yung ating credit limit sa Mabilis Cash. So, in a seconds or in a minute, masasend na agad siya sa ating e-wallet. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba natin ma-withdraw ang ating loan amount or credit limit sa Mabilis Cash. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.